Greetings everyone, Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video we are checking the Maono DM20 budget-friendly gaming microphone with noise cancelling feature, and this is an interesting microphone. Disclaimer, this microphone is being sent to me, but in the end I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. This microphone comes in three colors. Comes in white, black and pink, as you can see, and we'll unbox this microphone and I'm gonna give you all the features. Also, we'll use the microphone in today's video. At the moment I'm using the Donor P08, but we're gonna switch after the unboxing. So let's see what comes in the box right now. I'm very excited about a budget gear because sometimes you don't have to spend a lot of money to get something decent. I'm gonna leave this on the side. Oh, actually this was on the top. So what we have here, we have the user manual, as you can see, and actually this was upside down. Okay, so everything is presented in this cardboard protection box. Let's start with the first box. So I believe this should be the USB cable. So I'll leave this on the side. What we have here is the USB-C to USB-A, but we have something interesting here. Actually, this is Type-C as well, so you can use both sides. This is a plug-and-play microphone directly to your console, PC or Mac, which is pretty decent. What else we have is this small adapter. This adapter will allow you to mount this microphone to a different microphone stand. Doesn't come with the 5/8 to 3/8, but it's nice to have this included. As you can see, I already checked it. That's why you see this here in the side, just to test it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this on the side. And last but not least, we have our friendly budget microphone, which actually I'm very excited to show you in today's video. We have the pop filter on the front, which is very nice, very cute. And now let me give you some close look about this microphone and some of the functions. So as you can see on the top, we have a couple of function buttons. So the first button is for the RGB function button. So from here you can change different colors. Yes, this is a RGB gaming microphone, which I will show you everything. The next button is the noise cancelling, and then we have the mute button, which is pretty decent in my opinion to have mute button when while you're gaming. Also, let me show you what we have here on this side. So we have the gaming volume up and down, which is very nice to have when you gaming again, just to see and to hear, to monitor your volume of your microphone. Also, we have 3.5mm headphone jack for real-time monitoring, which is very nice to have. And now we're listening to the Maono DM20. As you can hear and see, this is a RGB microphone, which is, in my opinion, very good. I think it's gonna be very good aesthetically for gaming. Personality, this is white, comes in black and pink as well. So we're gonna see some of the features in a minute. This microphone is plugged into my MacBook Pro, running the Audacity. So this microphone comes with very interesting feature, noise cancelling. So I will enable this feature right now just to hear the difference. But before that, I'm gonna be quiet for a couple of seconds just to hear if there's any difference when we turn the noise cancelling on. Also, let me make sure that this is the volume is 100% at the moment. So this is the maxed out volume of this microphone, and I'm gonna be quiet for a couple of seconds to see if there's any difference. As you can hear, I can hear a little bit of noise, but make sure you wear headphones just to make sure that you'll see the difference when we use this feature. So let's do that right now. Let's press the noise cancelling in 2, 3, 1. This is very weird. So I don't hear my fridge now. It's really quiet, which is quite interesting. This is nice. So I'm gonna be quiet now for a couple of seconds with the noise cancelling feature on. Okay, this is interesting. This is very interesting. Let's switch the normal mode on back now. So we're gonna switch off the noise cancelling. Okay, so the noise cancelling is off and I can hear some people outside. This is interesting. So this was the noise cancelling mode, which is, I think, is working pretty well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch on the noise cancelling on, and I'm gonna just bump up the table, as you can hear. And also we're gonna check the keyboard as well, because I think this is very interesting to try if you have a noisy keyboard. The MacBook, obviously, keyboard is not very noisy, but as you can hear, pretty nice. Okay, let's do that with the noise cancelling on. Okay, so the noise cancelling is on. Obviously, if you tap the microphone stand, you're gonna hear that. But let's type the keyboard. You still can hear it, but there's a massive difference. All right, actually, I'm super impressed. Let's go back to the normal mode. Actually, I'm quite impressed about this feature, which is, I think, is working very, very well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press the mute button, so we'll hear if there's any audible click. I think there's no audible click. Okay, so the other thing we're gonna do right now is we're gonna check some of the RGB colors, which in my opinion, they're very good. So as you can see, this is the pulse, so it changes automatically. But let's dial in. So we have different colors, as you can see, which in my opinion, the colors looks very good. I do like all the colors, they look very nice, especially on the camera. Looks very, very good in my opinion. So again, this is a friendly budget microphone, but I think the quality is very good. A couple of things that I want to mention is that they doing a very good job including this microphone adapter, which is very good. The cable is like 1 meter and 1.5 meters, nearly 2 meters, which this is very good. And the quality of the cable actually is pretty decent in my opinion. I'm not very sure about the build quality. Obviously this is made from plastic. I know this is a budget microphone, but I wish the build quality is a little bit better in my opinion. And again, the included pop filter actually is very, very good. It's good to have that. So let's do some plosive right now. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So as you can hear, this is very decent in my opinion. So you're not gonna have problems with the plosives. So overall, I think it's a great microphone. I wish the build quality is a little bit better, but the sound is very good. This microphone, actually, it's a cardio weight microphone, but I do like it. I do like the sound quality, and actually I was impressed about the noise cancelling. I hope we can see future upgrades about this microphone. What I suggest is use this microphone with a proper boom arm, because the included microphone stand it's not very good. So as I tap the table, the keyboard, you're gonna have a lot of noise. But the noise cancelling actually is working. So the build quality is not very good. Again, budget gaming microphone. Also, I will use this microphone with my console, with my PlayStation 5, because I think it will work very well. But other than that, this microphone actually is very good. I'm gonna put the pricing in the descriptions down below for this microphone. It's around $35 in the States. So all the links is gonna be in the descriptions down below. Again, thanks to Maono for sending this microphone for review. But yeah, nothing to say except that I wish they do a better job with the, as you can hear, you need proper stand for that, and the sound quality is very good. But yeah, other than that, great microphone. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.